Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So as we know, guys, AMC they putting out a lot of articles at the bottom, at the end of the roller coaster ride. They started to put out the articles telling you guys AMC Entertainment is struggling with failing with a falling stock, high debt load, and light blockbuster schedule. So saying that AMC don't have any, extravagant movies lined up to blow sales out of the water. Also saying AMC is got a high debt load over their head. As we know, AMC is sitting on $1 billion plus in capital. They have, a lot of bread, and they also is going to get even more money by selling off the preferred equity units of APE, of the ticker symbol APE, guys. They're going to be selling off 400 plus million of that stock as well to give them even more cash to be able to pay down debt and do some refinancing. So as we know, AMC is going to also be possibly uh, one of the only standing businesses in the theater field. Basically, a lot of their competitors and peers are facing bankruptcy, being for the fact that they have the advantage of retail investors coming in and saving the day for them and giving them abundance of capital to help sustain and hold the business over for the next few years as the economy starts to come back. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and see exactly what's been going on and look at the price action of AMC. As we know, we did see, a nice little breakthrough at $6 on today, guys, and this could possibly be the starting point for us moving higher. As we also know, I told you guys, without a doubt, regardless of what type of data came out, CPI inflation numbers, I knew the market was going to be bullish in October. And it's crazy because we having the best of both worlds in October as well, giving you crazy opportunity to get in for the cheap and giving you crazy opportunity to sell within strength for a profit, a big profit. So that being said, guys, it's crazy because, we called this. It's going to shock you. It's going to be shocking a lot of people. I already see the articles. As we see right here, if we go stock market, I want to hear exactly how they said it because I told you guys, Dow rallied 600 points and huge market turnaround following hot inflation data. So regardless of inflation coming in hot, why is the market turning around? One may say because even with bad news, sometimes the stocks are going to do opposite of what everyone is anticipating on. It's many different reasons. I don't want to just say one thing and people take it and run with it. Oh, you think that's why it's doing it? Nah, it's many different reasons. I already was in anticipation of this happening, but many times whenever bad news come out, a lot of people are already expecting for the short sell it and make buttloads of money, and the stock end up doing the opposite reaction. When good news come out, sometimes the stock tank because people was already pricing in the good news and it already reached its peak and now it's tanking. So that's one reason. And then another reason is being for the fact that the market is already being hit so hard. Even if bad news come out, it's due for a little reversal. Even if it don't hold itself, which we know the market could come down, go lower in Bitcoin. Even if it don't hold itself, it's still due for a nice little reversal, a nice little uptrend, being for the fact how hard it's already hit. And there's many more, scenarios that goes into play on why the market is doing what it's doing. But we prepared you guys for it. I hope you was ready. But let's go ahead and take a look at AMC again, guys. So as we know, short sellers is continuing to increase their positions in AMC stock, guys. So we're going to take a look at this. Short sellers are still piling into AMC, and APE is another short squeeze likely. So as we know, guys, short sellers continue to target AMC and APE share due to a long list of both macro and micro headwinds and unusually high number of failures to deliver in AMC could be due to naked short selling. Of course, we know that despite AMC's and APE poor stock performance this quarter, there's a good chance we'll see another short squeeze, guys. And that's the same thing I told you guys. Like, it has nowhere else to really go. If you done made it this far and rolled it to the top, rolled it to the bottom, there's really no point of selling off at the bottom because theoretically, being for the human nature, psychological points of the market, is due for another big swing. Nobody know how high the swing is going to be. That's why you always come up with your own plan. Don't be greedy. Take profits whenever you feel comfortable and know, what is the stakes here. Knowing if this was a regular trading operating market, then you could have crazy high expectations because theoretically that's what AMC is supposed to do. the numbers, the retail investors that's behind it, the community, millions of people, you know, buying something at a you know, they have that much short interest, with short sellers being over leveraged like that. We seen exactly how they was well over 100% with shares out on loan for GameStop, and you know, all that just came out to light. And basically, we took advantage of that information, came together, and we know AMC should be way higher than what it currently went to and what was at. But with that being said, you need to, you know, be considerate and not be naive and know exactly, you know, where you should get off at, where you should take profits at, and all that good stuff, guys. But another crazy little run is definitely in store for the overall market. And of course, AMC, GME, meme stocks is going to be right in the mix behind it. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. Get in VIP. Also, watch out for scams in the comment down below. All that stuff, that WhatsApp. I never reach out to you first asking for any money or anything like that. So you guys already know I love you. We out, and God bless you. We gone.